Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the basics ready so nothing interrupts playback. First, check your Apple TV model and TV OS version. Netflix needs a compatible system, so update if required. Once done, connect the box to the correct Wi-Fi network and sign in with your Apple ID so the App Store and downloads work. Meanwhile, make sure your Netflix subscription is active and you have the login details handy. This saves time during app setup and prevents authentication errors later. Now you install and launch Netflix. Go to the App Store, search for Netflix, then click Install. This downloads the app to local storage. While it installs, keep an eye on progress and allow any permission prompts so playback and notifications work correctly. After it finishes, navigate to the home screen and open Netflix. You'll be prompted to sign in, enter the email and password you verified earlier. This sequence ensures the app is installed cleanly and ready for profile selection. Finish by signing in and starting playback. Choose your Netflix profile, pick a show and press play. Use the playback menu to switch subtitles or audio if needed. If signing in fails, first verify your password or reset it. Check account status on a phone or computer to confirm billing and device limits. For poor video or loading errors, restart your Apple TV, reconnect to Wi-Fi, and if problems persist, delete and reinstall the Netflix app to clear corrupted data and restore normal streaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.